ingenious machines and incredible inventions that are on next level? In a world where innovation drives progress, ingenious machines and incredible inventions are transforming industries and everyday life. From enhancing efficiency in construction and agriculture to providing unique entertainment experiences, these next-level creations are redefining what's possible. Royal Truck and Equipment. Royal Truck and Equipment is revolutionizing the truck and equipment industry with its state-of-the-art solutions designed to meet the demands of modern construction and utility work. This company specializes in manufacturing high-quality service trucks, trailers, and custom-built vehicles that cater to a variety of industries. Their commitment to quality and durability ensures that their equipment can withstand the toughest conditions, while providing reliable performance on the job site. One of the standout features of Royal Truck and Equipment is their innovative service trucks, which are equipped with a range of functionalities to support mechanics and operators in the field. Surflakes. Surflakes is a groundbreaking invention that brings the ocean's wave-riding experience to inland areas, making surfing accessible to everyone, regardless of their location. This innovative wave-generating technology creates consistent and manageable surf conditions, enabling surfers to practice and enjoy the sport without needing to travel to the coast. With Surflakes, the surfing community is expanding and more people can experience the joy of riding waves. What makes Surflakes stand out is its unique multi-wave system, which uses a central plunger to create waves that break in multiple directions. This design allows for various wave sizes, catering to surfers of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced riders. The ability to generate different wave types in a controlled environment creates a fun and dynamic atmosphere for surfers and spectators alike. Manimal Cutter. The Manimal Cutter is a revolutionary machine that simplifies one of the most challenging tasks in urban infrastructure maintenance, cutting access holes in manholes. This ingenious invention drastically reduces the time and labor required for this critical operation, making it easier for workers to perform maintenance and repairs on underground utilities. By providing a more efficient solution, the manhole cutter enhances safety and productivity in the field. Equipped with powerful cutting tools and a user-friendly design, the Manimal Cutter allows operators to create clean and precise openings quickly. This efficiency is vital in reducing disruptions to traffic and daily activities in urban areas. Additionally, the machine's robust construction ensures longevity and reliability, making it an essential investment for municipalities and contractors. Arrific Machinery. Arrific Machinery is at the forefront of agricultural innovation, producing advanced equipment designed to maximize productivity and sustainability in farming. This company specializes in creating high-tech sprayers and harvesting machines that improve crop management and reduce environmental impact. With Arrific's commitment to quality and innovation, farmers can achieve better yields while maintaining eco-friendly practices. One of the standout features of Arrific's machinery is their unique self-propelled sprayers, which are engineered for precision application. These sprayers utilize cutting-edge technology to ensure even distribution of fertilizers and pesticides, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Ladri and Kronor Klaas Heidsma BV. Ladri and Kronor Klaas Heidsma BV is a leading provider of heavy machinery rental services, specializing in excavators and construction equipment. Their extensive fleet of modern machinery is designed to meet the diverse needs of construction and agricultural projects. By offering high-quality equipment for rent, they empower contractors and farmers to tackle projects without the need for substantial capital investment. What sets Ladri and Kronor Klaas Heidsma BV apart is their dedication to customer satisfaction and service excellence. They provide a wide range of equipment tailored to various applications, ensuring that clients have the right tools for their specific needs. SBC Machines. SBC Machines is a remarkable player in the agricultural machinery industry, known for its innovative solutions that enhance farming operations. This company focuses on producing high-quality machines that streamline various agricultural tasks, from planting to harvesting. With a commitment to excellence, SBC Machines empowers farmers to achieve greater efficiency and productivity in their operations. One of the standout products from SBC Machines is their advanced planting equipment, designed to ensure precise seed placement and optimal crop development. These machines utilize cutting-edge technology to monitor soil conditions and adjust planting depth accordingly, leading to healthier crops and improved yields. Motion Sim Car Simulator. The Motion Sim Car Simulator is a state-of-the-art device that provides an immersive experience for automotive enthusiasts and aspiring drivers. This incredible invention uses advanced simulation technology to create realistic driving environments, allowing users to practice their driving skills in a safe and controlled setting. Whether for training or entertainment, the Motion Sim Car Simulator is redefining how we approach driving simulations. What makes the Motion Sim Car Simulator stand out is its ability to replicate real-world driving conditions with precision. Equipped with realistic controls, high-definition graphics, and responsive feedback, users can experience the thrill of driving without leaving their homes. Ecolog is a forward-thinking company that is committed to creating sustainable logging solutions through innovative machinery. Their advanced forestry equipment is designed to improve the efficiency of timber harvesting, while minimizing environmental impact. With a focus on quality and sustainability, Ecolog is making significant strides in promoting responsible forestry practices. One of the standout features of Ecolog's machines is their eco-friendly design, which emphasizes fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. By utilizing advanced technology, these machines are capable of performing heavy-duty logging tasks while adhering to strict environmental standards. Slattrax. Slattrax is an innovative solution that has taken the agricultural and construction sectors by storm with its advanced tracking technology. This unique machine offers an efficient way to navigate challenging terrains and uneven surfaces, making it an essential tool for farmers and construction workers alike. By enhancing mobility and stability, Slattrax is redefining the way heavy machinery operates in demanding environments. One of the standout features of Slattrax is its ability to provide superior traction and stability on soft or uneven ground. This capability not only improves the machine's performance but also reduces the risk of accidents and operational delays. Advaledno GIM is a pioneering company that specializes in creating advanced solutions for wood processing and construction. Their innovative machinery is designed to optimize the production of engineered wood products, ensuring high quality and efficiency in every step of the process. By embracing technology and sustainable practices, Advaledno GIM is leading the charge in transforming the wood industry. One of the standout features of Advaledno's machines is their ability to produce engineered wood products with precision and consistency. This level of quality is crucial in meeting the demands of modern construction and furniture industries, where reliability and sustainability are paramount. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.